Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It is not Sunday, but this video will air on Sunday. It is late Saturday night, and I'm doing something a little bit risky and stepping outside the Artisan Shave Soap category, and this is the Dove Men Plus Care. And if you can see here, it's a 3-in-1 bar. So it's a hand, body, face, and shaver. Is that 3? Anyway, they say you can shave with it. I don't know. I'm going to try it. And I have a little bit of irritation right here from a Dovo razor. And here is what the soap bar looks like. And there's really no scent to it. I thought about lathering it in the bowl. And then I thought, you know what? If I was in the shower, I would probably just rub it all over my face. But I'm going to see if it lathers up a little bit. I'm going to use my original Omega Boar brush. And I've got that soaking over here. And one of the reasons I'm using this brush is because sometimes when I get this irritation and the ingrown hairs, I feel like just the extra kind of scratchiness to it helps exfoliate the skin a little bit. So before I put that on, I'm going to tell you I'm using the RazoRock GameChanger 0.84 with a solid bar. And I'm going to be using my trusty Gillette silver blue blade. First time use with this blade. And I want to go with known good things, because if this goes sideways, I will know that it's the soap. And I may, it's late, did I tell you that? But what kind of inspired me to do this shave was, I've got a book on Gillette razors, and if I can find it without having to dig too deep, there's a picture of one of the razors that, I can't remember if it was on the base plate or inside the top cap. It says use ivory soap or use with ivory soap. And so I've kind of looked around trying to find one of those razors, and I have not had any success doing it. So that's where I originally started with ivory soap, after, you know, some of the store-bought can of foams didn't work. So anyway, I'm going to wet this a little bit here and apply it like a shave stick and see if it will lather up for me. And I had thought about, like I said, doing it in the bowl, because I was curious to see if it would hold the lather, and I have no idea if it will or not. So I'm just going to kind of face lather. And that soap seems, it's not as slick as glycerin soap, but it does tout the fact that it's 1/4 moisturizing, or that's what it says on the box. And if this doesn't lather up real well, I'll just take the brush and kind of work it on the bar a little bit and see what we got. Try not to get that in my eye. I feel like it's going to get in my eye. Make a bet right now. Comment below. Let me know. Is that going to get in my eye? There is a brush hair there. Oh my. I kind of did a search. I've had this bar for some time, and you can hear that soap is just plopping right to the floor. Anyway, I've had that bar of soap for quite a while, and I've been wanting to do this video, and I've just been putting it off and putting it off. But today is the day, so let's get the shave going. Pass number 1 with the grain. As you can see, it's not real fluffy, and you know, it's still kind of slick. It's working. It's not the most comfortable shave, but it's not the worst shave either. The razor and blade combo, spot on, no problems there. So as you're watching this video, I will probably be on the road. And that was one reason why I wanted to do the video a little bit earlier, because I didn't want to try to edit this and do all that kind of crazy stuff at 3 o'clock in the morning. So trying to prep, I guess, a little bit here. You know, it's not too bad. If that came in a stick, you know, maybe whether it was foiled or not, I'm gonna grab a little bit more here. Just kind of lather the puck here, or the bar, a little bit more. This stuff is pretty slick. Not as slick as glycerin. I think I said that already. This is definitely doable. I think this bar was like, it was right at $1. And my mind is thinking about tomorrow. I don't think I fully finished saying my sentence, but I did a quick YouTube search for this particular bar to see if someone else had done a video with it, and I didn't see anything, so that kind of made me think, well, I'm sure other people have tried it, and maybe they just didn't video it, I don't know. Or maybe they did and the search results just didn't show up for me. Doing a decent job. I will say it's not fluffy and super slick. I got myself there, or maybe it's just a little spot. Did you see that hair pop up on the razor? Yeah, I think for the straight razor, this hair, it's kind of going this direction, and going down with it, I think, causes irritation. Maybe I need to go upwards with it. I'm not real sure. I haven't quite figured that part out yet. Sometimes I can shave and there's no issue with the straight razor. And that happened to be because the traveling shaver did a video with a Dovo, and I thought, I'm gonna break this one out. And it was a new one that I haven't actually put my edge on it. And I don't think, I've never had a Dovo razor that came out of the box shave ready. I hope that goes away because it's irritating my shirt. Whenever I'm doing normal things, my shirt wants to rub a lot right in there, and that does not help with the irritation. So I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. This shave calls for a little bit of ice, I do believe. And, ooh, a little frosty there on the top. Oh, yeah. The one thing about this soap that I kind of question a little bit is how much it will actually dry out your face. And so if you attempt this shave, I would recommend using some kind of moisturizer. That's just my opinion. I have, in the past, washed my face with other bar soaps, and you know how you kind of get that tight skin feeling, and it seems like your hair and your face is a little bit stickier. Oh, hair. I'm going to use the Glacial Splash here, and I'm getting real close to the end of that. And then to top it off, I'm just going to use a little bit of my homemade post-shave gel, after-shave gel, whatever you want to call it. And I think that will take care of it. So, final thoughts on this soap. Yes, it worked. It wasn't too bad. It would definitely do in a pinch. But if I had the choice, I probably would just wash my body with it and get a nice soap that is much more pleasurable to shave with. All right, well, that's going to be my shave for the day. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Thank you for the comments, suggestions, and likes. And I will see you on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.